Hello dear students, today we are going to learn history, lesson number 2, history and the concept of time. Let's see first point, division of time and the timeline. Time is continuous. Continuous means it not stop, it not take rest, it is continuous. We divided day into two time, daytime and night time. As we learn in geography, Earth rotates around its own axis. Rotating around itself, it make day into two parts, daytime and nighttime. The Earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. These 24 hours we make into two parts. 12 hours we count for daytime and 12 hours for night time. 7 days make 1 week. 2 weeks make fourth night means 15 days. 4 weeks make month. 12 months make a year. 100 years make century. 10 centuries make millennium. Such a method of dividing time means 7 days, 2 weeks, fortnight, 12 months, 10 years, century, then millennium is known as unilinear division of time. Let's see next point, common era or Christian era. Common era or Christian era is also known Anno Domini. Anno Domini means in the year of our Lord. It written in short as CE, Common Era, or AD, Anno Domini. Means Common Era. CE started after Jesus Christ took birth. This point shows Jesus Christ birth. First 100 years is written, means this first century is written as 1 to 100 CE or 1 to 100 AD. Next point, time before the Common Era or Christian Era. Before I told you, this point shows birth of Christ. This period is after Jesus Christ birth, and the time before Common Era. Time before Common Era is known before Christ, means BC or before Common Era, BCE. The Common Era count or began at the year 1000. From here it count, okay? And BCE end with the year 1 BCE. Means it goes backward, counting backward, okay? The first century or the first millennium is indicate 100 to 1 BCE or 1000 to 1 BCE. Let's see method of indicating time before Common Era. Vardhaman Mahavir is written as 599 BC to 527 BC. See, these numbers are going backward, 99, 98. This is going backward till 27. Next point, measurement of time and method of measuring time. Second, minute, hour, day, week, fortnight. These are the units of measuring time. Common Era or Christian Era is the most widely used method of measuring time. A particular day is indicated by date, month, year. The date, month and year is in serial order. It is an age-old custom to start a new era to commemorate a special event. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj started Rajyabhishek Shaka, and Prophet Muhammad from Makkah to Medina started Hijri era. Let's see next point, historical period. The time in which history is divided into two main periods, prehistorical period and historical period. Let's see prehistorical period. Means before history. Prehistorical means before history. The prehistorical method is the period for which no written records are available. Okay, means no written records are available. Second, historic period. The historic period is the period for which written records are available. Let's see next point, scientific methods of measuring time and establishing age or dating. Carbon-14 analysis, tree rings analysis, dendrochronology, etc. These methods are known as dating technologies. Means this is scientific methods of measuring time, establishing age. Hope you understood our second lesson. Thank you.